Hello, Ricky Lorenzinger here. Are you ready to crack your own back? Fantastic. I'm going to teach you a method that involves 3 elements: the mind, body, and spirit. For the mind, I will use affirmation to prepare yourself for a better environment, peace, and calmness. For the body, I will show you how to crack your lower back step by step. Okay, let's get started and let me show you how it's done. It's very important to follow my procedures to get a healthy crack. Repeat after me. I focus my attention on healing. My body is full of joy and vitality. Gratitude and peace is flowing through my body. I am ready to adjust my own back. I am ready for a healthy back. Life supports me. My back supports me. Now we begin. I want you to slightly lean back. Most of the weight should be on the back of your heel. Once you get that balance, you move your pelvis out. Use this hand to pull, and then use this hand to push. You're going to do this at the same time and force as much as you can this way. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.